Hey guys, welcome to Computex 2026. We have the TRYX booth and we have James. James is going to show us some new products. So let's go.
Awesome.
What do we have here?
So we're going to start over here with the TRYX HOLO.
Oh my God, look at that.
Yes, sir.
We have a holographic display.
So this is our holographic visual effect AIO. You can see here, I'll put my finger through the back, right? There's nothing here.
Wow,
it's not being projected onto glass, nothing, right? So essentially what we're doing is we're using the top display, which is a 480p 60 Hz display, all the way reflecting down to a semi-transparent angled glass that's pushing the image to the back and giving you that holographic visual effect, right?
That's amazing.
So again, this is who we are. This is what we do, trying to be on the forefront of innovation.
Yeah.
And this is just our next iteration of.
You were just, I think it was on one of the newsletters or something like that. You mentioned something amazing is going to happen. Show up at the Computex. I guess this is it.
This is it.
I mean, I've seen some like holographic, more like transparent LCD case panels.
Yeah.
They look all right, but this is probably one of the first things I've seen ever on a AIO cooler with a holographic display. I mean, that's fantastic. I mean, come on.
We're super excited.
This is like probably a concept, right, at the moment?
No, this is final.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is final.
When is this going to come out?
It's going to come out at the end of June. We're looking at $169.99
is that all?
at a global MSRP. Yeah.
$169. Is that?
Yeah.
That's
awesome.
I gotta swear.
Right.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So again, using the Canali software, you can upload any image on there.
Yes, image, video. So we'll have a lot of presets. I'll show you in the demo over there, but we've integrated Giphy into Canali, so you users can go in and type in whatever they want and put,
I also like the fact that you can actually tilt it.
Yes, so you can get the best viewing angle for you. You do have an addressable ARGB LED strip on the back, so you can see it's shining.
Oh yeah.
To give more of the depth, right?
Yeah.
And it's accompanying with our new Fober fan. So this is the unibody Fober fan, very sleek, very
unified.
Unified body. Yep.
So you just mount this onto the radiator. You just need like a simple cable connection.
Correct. Yeah.
Oh, good.
And we will be selling this standalone, so you can match that with your case, bottom fans, etc.
That's fantastic. This is something I always wanted to have, some holographic display.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
We're excited for your review for this one.
Oh yeah, definitely. I want that. I want one for sure. Yep.
This whole TRYX zone.
Look at that.
I just wanted to mention and let people know that we're making big upgrades to how people can utilize content with their panorama, with their stage. TRYX Zone is essentially the idea of us creating a specific domain website, hosting.
So creators can make their own.
And other people can go on, download it, use it, upload their own that they're using. It's just
so all these can be downloaded and actually put onto the display of the all-in-one cooler. Yeah, that's fantastic. All these, look at these high quality.
Even if you make your own, or if you have something you like I don't know, Dragon Ball Z, right? I know you love Goku, right? Me too, man. If you found one you really like on the panorama, you can upload it. And if someone likes that one, they can download it.
It's almost like a social media style kind of content creating. Yeah. That kind of platform.
Like our own wallpaper engine, right? But specifically for Canali and for our TRYX products.
Yeah, that's all good.
Yeah, so it'll be really awesome. We're excited to roll this out. Hopefully in the second half, fingers crossed.
Well, definitely one of those all-in-one like holographic coolers. For sure.
You got one. Don't worry.
All right.
And that's pretty much
I think this is it. Fantastic booth with the display on the Computex 126.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy the rest of the week. So thank you, James.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
See you guys.